Hello everyone, welcome to Catia tutorial. I am Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In previous lecture, we discussed about how to construct the major component that is fork in Catia V5 tutorial. In this video lecture, we will discussing about how to construct this center block in Catia V5. You can observe here two cylinder blocks are perpendicular to each other at center point. Now let us go to open Catia V5 tutorial, Catia V5 software. Now activate part design module, start mechanical design, part design. In the left side it's showing different planes. I am choosing YZ plane. Now click on sketch tool. When you are click on sketch tool, the isometric planes are converted into orthographic plane. On that YZ plane, I am going to construct this circle. This circle diameter is 1.1 d. In the previous lecture, already we have taken d value is 50 mm. Now also I am taking d equal to 50 mm. 1.1 d, 1.1 into 50, that means 55 mm. Now let us go to construct circle with diameter 55 mm. With the help of circle tool, draw the 55 mm diameter. Now apply the constraint. The diameter is 55 mm. Then click OK. Now I have constructed that one circle with diameter 55 mm. Now apply the material with the help of pad tool. After completion of this circle, now exit from this workbench. The tool is available right side of this Catia V5 software, exit workbench. With the help of sketch based features, choose pad tool. You can also access this tool from view toolbar. Insert sketch based features. The first one is pad. Pad definition dialog box is appear. Here you can apply the pad with respect to center plane. So I am taking mirror extent. So the pad is equally applied to both sides. So the total length is 2.2 d. So I am taking half of the distance from center plane. That means 1.1 into 55 mm. Now enter the length in pad definition dialog box, that is 55, and choose mirror extent. That means the pad is applied to both sides with respect to center plane. That means mirror extent to both sides. Now click OK. Here one more cylinder is there, that is perpendicular to previous cylinder. So I am taking in the previous one I have chosen YZ plane. Now I am going to choose ZX plane. ZX plane is perpendicular to YZ plane. That's why I am choosing ZX plane. Now click on sketch tool. Here I am going to construct one more circle. The diameter is 1.1 d. That this diameter is equal to previous diameter. Now I am choosing circle tool from profile tool. On the y-axis, when you are moving mouse on y-axis, it's showing one dashed line. On that dashed line, you need to construct one circle. The circle diameter is 55 mm, that means 1.1 d. With the help of constraint tool, apply the dimension, that is 55 mm. 55. Okay. This constraint, this circle from previous vertical axis, that is offset from previous vertical axis, that is 0.8 d. 0.8 into 40 mm. But with the help of constraint tool, now give the offset distance, that means circle center point and previous cylinder center point. This is the 40 mm. Then click OK. Now exit from this workbench. choose pad tool. Similarly, you can apply the pad. First one is mirror extent. Next the length is 55 mm. Then click OK. Okay, I have constructed two cylinders perpendicular to each other. Now you can see this figure. This is the hollow cylinder. Now remove the material. The circle diameter is 0.6d, that means 30 mm. With the help of whole sketch based feature, remove the material. Now I am choosing hole. Select first cylinder, circle surface. When you are choosing the surface, one whole definition dialog box is appear. Now enter the diameter, that is 0.6d, that means 30 mm. This hollow part is up to end point, that means remove the material up to last point. So in the first tab you can change blind to up to last, then click OK. Similarly, you can follow the same procedure to second cylinder. Now I am choosing this surface, apply the hole, diameter 30 mm, the condition is up to last, then click OK. This is the procedure to construct the center block in Catia V5 software. You can see the views from this view menu bar. This is the isometric view, this is the front view, this is the top view, this is the right side view. Now after completion of this part, you need to save this file in the specific folder. Control S, or you can go to the standard toolbar, save, Control S. The file name is here the default file name is part1. You can change that file name, that is center block. You can see here the extension of Catia V5 software in part design, that is CAD part. Then click save. Now the sketch is saved in selected location. In the next session, I will going to explain how to construct the third component in Catia V5. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.